Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, we are fine, and I'm too. Are you ready for the material today? Okay, before we start, let's all pray first. Prayer begins. Prayer finish. Okay, thanks. Then I wanna check attendance list first. And Adi Linggandani, Dia Rahma Fadila, Holifah Amalia, Mita Herliana, Siti Suryati, Siti Rahmawati, Sylvia Erliansyah Putri, Neng Wilda, Irfan Rois. Okay, class. Today the material is about hortatory text. Have you ever heard of hortatory exposition text? Kalian pernah dengar nggak sih hortatory text sebelumnya? Okay, here is a definition of hortatory text. A hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain to the listener or readers that something should or should not happen or be done. The social function of hortatory exposition is to persuade the reader or listener that something should or should not be done. In a hortatory exposition, a recommendation is used to give advice or suggestion to the readers to make a choice by considering the presented arguments. Jadi hortatory text itu nggak jauh beda kayak analytical text ya. Kalau di analytical itu kayak lebih sesuatu yang terjadi, jadi digambarkan yang sedang terjadi gitu. Sedangkan di hortatory text ini, jadi kalian bisa menilai sendiri dari teks itu harus dilakukan atau tidak dilakukan. Itu bisa sesuatu yang terjadi atau tidak terjadi. Jadi analytical sama hortatory text itu ada perbedaan tapi kayak hampir mirip gitu. Okay, next is generic structure. The structure of an analytical exposition text is formed in 3 elements. Thesis, argument, and recommendation. Structure 2. Thesis present the announcement of issue of concern. Argument presents the reason for the concern leading to recommendation. And C, recommendation Okay, next questions is, can you find the hortatory text between these two texts? Jadi kalian yang tahu yang mana hortatory text, kalian boleh angkat tangan, nanti dapat gift from me. Okay, class. Before I close, I will ask you question random. If the person appointed cannot answer, please appoint a friend. Jadi kalau misalkan nanti saya bakal nunjuk kalian untuk menjawab pertanyaan dari saya. Kalau misalkan kalian tidak bisa, kalian silahkan menunjuk teman yang lain. Jadi kalau misalkan kalian gak bisa, jawab gak bisa, tapi tunjuk teman yang lain. Oke? The first question is for Siti Suryati. What is generic structure about hortatory text? Structure. Jadi struktur di hortatory text itu apa saja? Please mention. Okay, mention. Okay, you can mention the name of your friends. Okay.
So the generic structure of hortatory text, thesis, argument, and presentation.
Okay, give her applause. Okay, the second question is for Neng Wilda. Where do you think hortatory text is usually found? Jadi kita bisa menemukan hortatory text itu di mana? Karena ini kan adanya fakta gitu. Jadi biasanya hortatory text itu berada di mana gitu? Adanya di mana gitu?
Biasanya di jurnal, di majalah, buku-buku ilmiah, pidato, akademis, dan lain.
Okay, you are correct. Give her applause. Okay, for Dia Rahma and Neng Wilda, you give something for me.
Dari pertemuan pertama ini. Iya, dapat banyak.
Pilih which one?
I want this.
Which one? Okay.
Thank you, Mi.
Okay, thank you. Okay, for next week. Okay, guys, silent please.
Oke, Miss.
Okay, for next week's individual assignment, give another of example of hortatory text and part of its structure. Jadi untuk tugas minggu depan, saya akan memberikan kalian tugas untuk minggu depan. Tugasnya itu kalian mencari contoh lain tentang hortatory text.
Oke, Miss.
Ini individual ya, individual assignment. Okay, today class is over. Let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah. Okay, I think that was enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.